The Amazon rainforest, also known as Amazonia, is a vast and dense tropical forest located in the Amazon basin of South America. It covers an area of approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, which is 2.1 million square miles, crossing the borders of 9 countries including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon rainforest is considered to be the world's largest rainforest, and it contains an incredible amount of biodiversity, with millions of species of plants, animals, and insects. The Amazon River, which runs through the forest, is the world's largest river by volume, and it is a crucial source of water for the millions of people who live in the region. The Amazon rainforest is located primarily in Brazil, but also extends into parts of Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, and Venezuela. The Amazon rainforest is home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species, including approximately 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 fish species, and 430 mammal species. The Amazon rainforest is also home to numerous indigenous communities, many of whom rely on the forest for their livelihoods. Deforestation is a major threat to the Amazon rainforest, with an estimated 20% of the forest already lost to logging, mining, and agricultural expansion. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, runs through the heart of the rainforest, providing water and nutrients to the plants and animals that live there. The Amazon rainforest is home to a number of endangered species, including the jaguar, the giant otter, and the harpy eagle. The forest floor of the Amazon rainforest is relatively barren due to the dense canopy overhead that blocks out much of the sunlight. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, acting as a carbon sink and helping to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Amazon rainforest is also an important source of natural resources, including timber, oil, and minerals. The Amazon rainforest is home to many medicinal plants, and indigenous communities have long used these plants to treat a variety of illnesses. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth, as the plants in the forest release oxygen into the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. The Amazon rainforest is also home to many species of birds, including toucans, macaws, and parrots. The Amazon rainforest is thought to be over 55 million years old, making it one of the oldest and most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is an important source of food for many indigenous communities who rely on the forest's fruits, nuts, and other plant-based foods for their diet. The Amazon rainforest is home to many different types of monkeys, including spider monkeys, howler monkeys, and capuchin monkeys. The Amazon rainforest is also home to a number of deadly animals, including the anaconda, the electric eel, and the piranha. The Amazon rainforest is an important source of fresh water for the region, with the Amazon River accounting for about 20% of the world's total river discharge into the oceans. The Amazon rainforest is under threat from climate change, with rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns posing a significant risk to the forest and the species that call it home. Efforts to protect the Amazon rainforest are ongoing, with many organizations working to reduce deforestation and protect the forest's biodiversity and indigenous communities. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative contents in the future. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you want to stay updated on my latest videos and other updates, be sure to follow us on social media. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.